will talk about polynomials. What is a polynomial? So an algebraic expression is of the form. Observe this form here, a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube and so on. Here they have given dotted lines now. These will be called as and so on. Where a, b, c are constants. The constants means they are numbers here. And variable is x. These type of algebraic expressions will be called as polynomials. Observe here they have, here x power is 1 and next x power power of x is 2, here power of x is 3. That means this is increasing, 1, 2, 3 and these are increasing. These powers are in increasing order. That type of algebraic expressions only we call it as polynomials. Okay, an algebraic expression of the form a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube and so on, where a, b, c, d, all these a, b, c and so, all these are called constants and x is a variable. Variable is here x. So if you observe in the previous problems, you get y terms also, right? X square. So observe this algebraic expression here, x square plus xy plus 6, right? So if you observe here, y term is also there. That means variable of y is also there. In this case, this type of algebraic expressions will be called as polynomials in two variables. If you observe here, we have only one variable here, that is x. So these type of variables having one variable, algebraic expressions will be called as polynomials in one variable. And this is a polynomial in two variables. Understood? Polynomial in two variables. Okay? What is a polynomial here? Algebraic expressions in the form of a plus bx plus cx square. The powers must be in increasing order. Okay? Remember that one. Okay? Now, so if you get algebraic expressions like this, 1 by x plus 2 by x plus 4x like this and 6. Like this you get algebraic expressions, na? So these will not come under polynomial. And remember this point. If you get any variable in the denominator, those type of algebraic expressions will not come under polynomials. They are not at all polynomials. Okay? So 1 by x, 2 by x, this type of terms will not be allowed in the polynomials. If you have algebraic expressions like this also, those algebraic expressions will not come under polynomials. Understood? Now see this one. So here we have one example here, that is t power 5 minus 1. So this is the one polynomial. In which variable? In t. Variable t. Okay? Here what is the variable here? T. Okay? So t power 5 minus 1 is a polynomial in t of degree 5. Now what is this degree? What is the power of the variable? Highest power of the variable will be called as degree. Okay? So x square plus 2x plus 1. So you have the algebraic expression like this. So if you have power x power 2 here. So observe this term. You have 1 here. So degree of this expression will be 2. Why? Because this is the highest power of x. Highest power of the variable will be called as degree of that particular polynomial. Here what they have given, t power 5 minus 1 now. Here observe, this is the polynomial in variable t and the degree of this polynomial is 5. This is the highest power. Okay? Highest power of the variable will be called as degree of that particular polynomial. So this is our next example. X cube y square plus 2x square y plus xy square minus 5xy plus 6. Here we have to find out the degree of this polynomial. Here this is a polynomial in variables x, y. Okay? So for this polynomial we have to find out the degree. So to find out the degree of this polynomial, we have to find out first degree of each and every term. Okay. So how many terms are there here? 1, 2. Right. This is third term. this is third term, fourth and fifth. 5 terms are there. Okay, first find out the degree for this, for the first term, that is x cube y square. Write down that one. First write down the given polynomial. After that, degree of the term x cube y square. So here the powers will observe these powers. So to find out the degree of particular term, we have to add the powers of the variables. Okay, for the first variable x, we have in the power we have 3. So 3 plus, and the next variable power is 2. Write down the 2. Add these two powers, you get 5. So this is the degree of this particular term. Okay, after finding this one, go for the next term. Okay, here our next term is 2x square y. So degree of the term 2x square y. Here leave that 2. Only you have to count powers of the variables only. X square y. X power here 2. X square means here we have 2. 2 plus y. Y nothing means y power 1 only. Okay, 1y. That means 1y. So 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. After that, degree of the term x y square. So here x power nothing means 1. Y power 2. 1 plus 2. Write down that one, 1 plus 2. So you get 3. After that, degree of the term xy. So nothing here means power 1, power 1. That means 1 plus 1. So equal to 2. So after finding degree for each and every term, check for the highest degree. So which one is higher among all these terms? Among all the degrees of these terms? 5, 3, 3, 2. Among these 4, 5 is the bigger one. So this bigger number is the degree of the total polynomial. Okay. So degree of the given polynomial is 5. Understood how to find out here? First find out the degree for each and every term. After that, choose the highest degree, and that is your degree of the polynomial. Okay.